The facilities are really good, especially in the room we're in currently. The PCs are really nice, you know. Yeah, and around the college, really good facilities as well. The staff are, you know, really good, always willing to help. Very sort of, as well, obviously knowledgeable about the subject.
Like, I'm learning a lot more. I get more personal, one-to-one help, and I find that instead of just lecturers coming to teach, they care about you more here. It's more personal.
Because the classes are so small, they can identify everyone's needs as one.
We have had a lot of opportunities to get in contact with businesses that are related to our course, and be in talks with them and have experience from them and learn from them about what we can go into after we progress from our HND community.